number 2 bakalo puritan ma Lazarus ti hilo no bala pagalele amenya de sepona letan hota ro pay ni pamama tene pe Lazarus ti alaki ni no ado pwede pane oro ta tu de mi ta tamo oro ta pakwasha menena ke klido puritan ma kasakre we mai ma no ta hota ne we de pane pamama tene ma tene cái teatesa cái sacre ora teatesa cái gì mà nó sẽ có pasal lagi ro pain no do you know about that Lazarus died before Jesus came in Jesus stayed there a few days because he has something to do later that he come back okay after that you know what do you want you are the family your brother died when your family came back, Jesus came back, how are you feeling? Do you think about this exactly something terrible to you want to tell him about the Jesus something? Here's that Jesus confronts, okay, Jesus confronts the sister, no? Little when I say Suma Mudaki adopt mu no? On this arrival, no pair away head to a permanent, no? Pair away head to a permanent. Jesus found that Lazarus has already been in the tomb for 4 days. Now, we didn't want to pack a size shoe, head to a name, like a size shoe, so Lazarus, theory, we didn't want to open, but Chinabala. Pagdian mala ta sokho punamano Lutholi 4 day Lutholi Bethany was less than 2 miles from Jerusalem when a Bethany where I saw Sheila that we usually 2 miles 2 mila not 2 mila hultano and the man Jew has come to the Martha and the Mary to confront them and